Smart Measure. The measurement results, which are provided according to different selected objects, can be displayed on the model and folded. When picking a point, the coordinate information is shown. The label style can be changed, such as color and thickness. If you pick the circle, you will get the length, radius, and center point value. Unchecking the item removes the unneeded result. By picking 2 points, the distance information will be shown. When the face is picked, the face area and perimeter will be had. CADbro will automatically judge the selected objects to provide corresponding measurement results. Pick the shape to get the area and value. What's more, all measurement results are foldable. Double-click to fold or unfold them. That's all about Smart Measure.
Audio Jungle.